When you want to discipline your partner's children without them hating you, you need to get it so that you blame the house rules instead of you or your partner. So you take the responsibility away from your partner and from you, and you create a house rule that says what behaviour you're expecting from the child. So, your stepchild does something wrong. Your stepchild needs disciplining. Do nothing. As long as it's not a health and safety issue or a dangerous issue, just let it pass. It's something the child thinks is acceptable to do, and for this once, it'll go unnoticed if you don't create a scene. Then, at a little time later, check out with your partner that you think that this should be something that the child should not be allowed to do. They may think differently, in which case you need to negotiate that with your partner. But given that they do agree that this is something that needs to be a house rule for you, you then, at a time in the future, and before it happens again, preferably, have a little meeting with the stepchild or stepchildren or everybody in the house and just say, this is going to be a house rule that X is going to happen, and you put the rule in a positive frame of mind, so rather than in a negative, and then you agree a sanction for if it's not done and a reward for if it is. And that way, when the child crosses the line in terms of discipline again, you go, uh-oh, remember we've got a house rule about that? And they go, oh, yes, sorry. If they don't, there's a sanction in place, which your partner will then agree with.